Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up beat grids in Serato DJ. First, understand that beat grids are visual representations of your music's tempo and timing. They are crucial for perfectly syncing tracks and applying effects with precision. Serato DJ provides an initial automatic analysis, but often, a little manual adjustment is needed to achieve flawless results. We will cover how to refine these grids for optimal performance. When Serato DJ automatically analyzes a track, the beat grid might not always be perfect. To correct this, enter Grid Edit mode. You can then shift the entire grid left or right using the arrow keys to align the first beat marker precisely. If the track's tempo is slightly off, you can also adjust the overall BPM of the grid to ensure consistent timing throughout the song. This ensures your mix stays perfectly in time. For tracks with irregular tempos or complex structures, manual beat gridding is key. Begin by setting the first beat marker precisely at the very start of your track's first beat. Then, use the Set Grid button to establish the initial tempo. If the track's tempo changes, you can expand or contract the grid in different sections to ensure every part of the song is perfectly aligned. This method provides maximum accuracy. Once your beat grid is perfectly set, remember to lock it to prevent any accidental changes during your performance. For tracks with very high or low BPMs, consider using the half or double BPM feature for easier mixing. Consistent practice will significantly improve your gridding speed and accuracy over time. Always save your meticulously crafted grids so you never have to repeat the process for the same track again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.